Welcome to the Managira Setup Walkthrough. In this video, we'll guide you through setting up your school on the Managira platform for the very first time. You should have received an email containing the Managira Starter Pack PDF, along with a direct link to the platform. If not, simply visit www.managira.com. On the homepage, click Login/Register at the top right corner. Use the email and password you created during registration to sign in. Once you're logged in, you'll see your institution's name displayed at the top. This confirms that you're in the right place. You'll also see an important pop-up message with a caution notice, followed by a welcome message that outlines what to do next. It's highly recommended that you begin here. First, click this link to update your credentials, especially if you suspect they may have been exposed during setup. When done, come back to the home page and click on Customize. On this page, you can edit your organization name and change the font to what you like. You can also edit your organization nickname if it's included in your plan, and finally set up a logo. Upload your school's logo. This not only enhances your dashboard visually, but also makes it easier to navigate, especially on mobile devices. Pro tip: you can always click your logo in the top left corner to return to the homepage or the organization dashboard from anywhere in the app. Once you've done that, go ahead and click your school name or logo to return to the homepage. Then click the button that says Begin your journey here to start the setup process. Step 2. Setting up the school year and term. You'll now be directed to the Manage School Year and Term page. Click the Create School Year button. Enter the start and end years, for example, 2024 to 2025. Then, give your terms a name like Semester 1, Term 1, or whatever format your school uses. Set the start and end dates for each term. You can add more terms or remove them using the plus and minus buttons. Once all the information looks correct, click Save. After saving, you will be redirected to the Manage School Year and Term page to see what you just saved. Click on the current radio button for the school year. To activate it, it will turn blue. The remaining information will then be displayed. If not, click on the arrow to expand. Next, click the current radio button beside one of the term names to activate it as well. This will now be the displayed school year and term for your organization because they are marked as current. You can add additional terms if needed. Save the changes once you're satisfied with the setup. There is a delete button available if you need to remove the school year and all associated data. Please exercise caution when using this option, as it will permanently delete all data for that school year. Note, this page also functions as an edit page, allowing you to make changes to term, dates, and other details to ensure everything is accurate. Step 3. Adding classes, subjects, and graduation groups. After setting up your school year and term, you'll notice this change on your organization dashboard. Click Create inside the Enrolled Classes box. This is where you'll start by adding your classes. You can add multiple classes by clicking the plus button. Next, add subjects and assign them to the appropriate classes. You can also create graduation year groups by entering the expected year of graduation, for example, 2026. When you're finished, click back to return to the dashboard and review everything you've entered. Step 4. Adding students. It's time to enroll your students. From the main navigation menu, click Admissions. Choose the term in which you want to enroll students. Then, fill out the student registration form. You can upload a student photo and assign a guardian, making it easier for teachers to contact families when needed. To save time, you can register multiple students at once. Once you're done, click Save. Each student will be added and assigned to the correct class automatically. You can see the student information by searching the student name in the search bar or going to their assigned class and looking for them. Step 5. Enrolling classes and students for a term. To begin the enrollment process, go to the Management Tools section and select Enrollment Management. On this page, start by choosing the school year and the specific term in which you want to enroll classes and students. Next, select the classes you wish to enroll. Then, choose the students to be added to those classes. If no students have been added to the system yet, you can still proceed by enrolling the classes alone and come back later to add students. Need to move a student from one class to another? You can easily search for any student and assign them to a different class if needed. Once you've finalized your selections, click Enroll to save your changes. This completes the class and student enrollment process for the selected term. Step 6. Adding employees. To add staff members, go to Management Tools, then select Employee Management. Complete the form with the employee's details. Assign a role, such as manager, supervisor, or teacher. If they're a teacher, you can assign their class and subject. For administrative staff, you can leave those fields blank. After submission, an email will be sent to the employee. They'll use the link provided to set their password and access their account. To designate a main teacher for a class, go back to the organization dashboard. Click on the class and select the radio button next to the teacher's name. Only the main teacher, along with managers and supervisors, will be able to take attendance and see all activities for all subjects. Step 7. Creating and grading assessments. Once your classes and teachers are in place, it's time to set up academic assessments. Head over to the Create and Manage Assessment Score section in the Management Tools. There, you'll find a form to create your first test. Enter a test name like Midterm or Class Test 1. Or Cat 1, set the test weight as a percentage, for example, 20% or 50%. Enter the maximum score. Then choose the category, such as class assessment, exams, or other. Once created, you can assign the test to a class and subject. To grade the test, go to the class, select the subject on the class dashboard, and then go ahead and grade. Enter the student scores, then click Save. The system will store all scores securely and automatically generate report cards and transcripts based on the data you provide. And that's your full setup walkthrough for Managira. By following these steps, you've laid the foundation for managing your school in a smarter, faster, and more digital way. Thank you for choosing Managira, where managing education becomes easier.